Well, here it is, guys. I'm picking it up. I just had the car done with the Clear Auto Bra and also had the windows tinted in 20% all the way around. A little front sunshade, side windows, back window. Now I'm gonna go ahead and, so Clear Auto Bra does the vehicle wraps, and I had it done in the clear Xpel performance wrap, and I had the whole entire front end of the vehicle done. So I'll kind of give you guys a close-up of the process, but it is a nice protective film that self-heals if it gets scratched or chips in it. And this company that I've been going to since 2008, so over 12 years now, does such an amazing job. So they did they even did the headlights, and basically they take this and they actually wrap it up underneath, and then there's just a little relief in the corners here. They have a special little cut they do, so it doesn't end a quarter inch before or after, like some really cheap dealer options do. Now, it just got done today, and so there's still maybe a little moisture underneath it. It'll still dry up and tighten up a little bit more if you see any imperfections in this video. But all this is wrapped down here, no lines are visible anywhere. They did the complete hood, so there's no lines stopping halfway or anything like that. This will repel bird droppings and anything that gets on here. And then to protect the lower flat bits, they actually wrapped this too in a black flat vinyl made of the same thickness basically as the clear film. And all these edges, leading edges, are done here. This is the line for the vinyls, like right here. So this is not done, but this little leading front edge is where it's going to get most of the abuse. And then the other parts done on the Supra is this whole entire panel's done, because right here is going to get this wheel spray up underneath here. So this whole panel's wrapped, and likewise it's tucked. But you can actually see right here a little cut line. Now, of course, nothing's damaged, just where the vinyl ends. And so this whole panel was done here also, and up into the door jamb a little bit. So, and then working our way backwards so that there's no lines anywhere ending, the film continues all the way up and here, and this is also tucked in nice, and they get this whole lip done up inside here so that anything hitting this lip won't chip this edge. So this whole panel's done here, and then back here behind the wheel, they actually same deal, right up to here, right into the factory line, so that there's no visible line where the clear bra is, and it's tucked. Now the only part where we're going to have a small line, and it's right here where my fingernail ends. Let's see if you can actually see it. Most people aren't going to notice, but that's going to protect the spray from the wheels coming backwards. And then they also did in the flat vinyl, whoop, right here, this piece too. So other than that, the mirror caps, the factory mirror caps, are actually wrapped in the clear bra also, but it's done in the matte finish clear bra, and it's one big solid piece to make this, to protect this leading edge. But then while I was here, I went ahead and had the windows tinted at the same time. That way they can have it all at one place and get it all done at once. But this will super protect the car and keep it looking super nice into the future. And I've done this with all my last 5 cars and Clear Auto Bra here in St. Louis, Missouri has done the work. This is their beautiful shop. There's a Viper, and there's a Corvette, and another Corvette, and then just some work vehicles. But look at this beautiful setup here. It's clean. Your car is safe, secure while it's here. And like I said, I've used these guys since 2008, so over 12 years now. And they are highly recommended if you want to protect your investment and keep it looking like new. So I want to shout out to Clear Auto Bra, and thanks for watching this video. I hope it was informational for you, and definitely hit that like and that subscribe button as we keep adding more goodies to the Supra. Have a good one. Bye.